Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep reading together under a cozy blanket. First, I'll start by drawing Peppa Pig's small eyes. Then, I'll sketch her blanket, just like this. Next, I'll add her nose and a big, cheerful smile. Right here, I'll draw a storybook that she's holding in her hands. After that, I'll finish drawing her body. Now, let's move on to Suzy Sheep, who's sitting right beside Peppa. I'll begin with Suzy's eyes and then draw her blanket. Look how adorable they are, snuggled up with blankets over their heads. Suzy Sheep is smiling too. She looks so happy and excited. Default text. Both of them are sharing the storybook, holding it together. To make the picture clearer, I'll go over everything with a black marker. Alright, it's time to color. First, I'll use light pink for Peppa's skin. Her dress in a lovely pink shade. For Suzy's dress, I'll use a bright red. I'll also add a little splash of yellow for some extra fun. Now, let's color the storybook. You can choose your favorite color for it. For Peppa's blanket, I'll use a nice green color. And for Suzy's blanket, I'll blend sky blue with dark blue. Watch carefully. Job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawings. See you next time. Goodbye!